Today I'm going to show you how you can add a questions box to your Instagram story. This is a really simple thing to do, so without further ado, let's jump right into it, guys. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your Instagram. Once you've opened up Instagram, you will now need to create a story. So for example, if I just click on one of these here, I will just click on this screenshot for example, and if I wanted to add a question to this, as you can see in the top right hand corner, there is a couple of options. So you have a text option, you have stickers, you have effects and everything like that. If you click on the stickers option, it will give you all of the options which are available within Instagram. So if I wanted to add a questions box, what you can do is click on the question sticker. Then this will bring up this here, so you can click on ask me a question, and you can just simply leave it as that, or you can ask a question yourself for someone to go ahead and type it in. So it's just as simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.